Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for a beautiful girls bike that is also long lasting and has all the bells and whistles, check this one out by JMMD. My daughter's so happy. It really is nice. She can bring her favorite doll with her anywhere. This is great for our adventuring. It's nice that it comes with brakes that work really well. It has the coaster brake where you pedal backwards to stop, and it also has the handheld brake. It has a kickstand, so it'll hold itself up when not in use. And she gets to bring her favorite doll because it has the basket doll seat with her. This has mud guards, so depending on the terrain we go on, it's really nice. And this handheld brake is easy to use. She gets to bring her favorite treats and her doll with her because there's a spot for everything. It also has its great bell, reflectors, and a comfortable saddle. This is really nice with any kind of adventuring. It's a fully enclosed chain, so when she's using her bike, her pants don't get caught, and that is an upgrade from the last bike that she had. This has been really wonderful for making her day and keeping her active, and it came really well packaged. Everything was there, and it was so easy to assemble. If you are looking for a durable bike, I recommend this.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.